Hey everyone, I just caught a few minutes before I go away on holiday, so I thought I'd have another quick look at this this keyboard that I've got. Right, taking a look at this backlight issue. I think I might have found part of the issue. Anyway, the driver, which is this section here. So this bit, there's a few components, voltage regulator. This basically takes 12 volts from the power supply, drops it down to 5 volts into a voltage multiplier, then out to the screen. I've just been having a look at the connections down here, and I've just spotted this, which does not look very clever. You can actually see the plastic and all the little all the pins are just wobbling around. So I suspect that's the solder joints on that are completely shot. So I'm going to take this out, resolder it all up, plug it in, and see what happens. Okay, so I've just resoldered this this connector here. It seems a lot better now. So I'm just going to fold the front on, power it up, and see if we get a backlight. The answer is no. The LCD's still on now. So no, unfortunately that wasn't the issue. We need to look a bit further. Okay, what I've just done is taken. I've just checked some of the voltages on this board, and there was basically nothing coming out of the HV transformer there. Absolutely, well, there was about half a volt. So I think this is just dead. So what I think I might do, considering I also noticed on the LCD module that there might have been one line of pixels out on the display, which sort of leads, it's another fault to add to the list. So I think what I'll probably end up doing is removing all of this and replace the LCD module with a new one that has an LED backlight. I mean, I'm not even sure how many hours of use the EL display had on this. It might have been getting quite dim anyway. So I think that's probably the best plan. Swap the LCD module out for a new one with an LED backlight. I can just I can drop it down to whatever voltage I need. I can make up a little circuit I can mount in here. So I think that's the best thing to do on that. So I'm just going to leave this disconnected for the moment, and we'll just have to have a look at the keys, the issue with the keys next, and leave this one for a future video, I think. Right, I've just started having a look at the issue with the keys. I just had a major battle getting this, getting access to the keyboard. It weighs a ton, and it's a bit of a pain in the arse to get into, to be honest. But it's quite clear what the problem is, because there's two connectors which need attaching on this keyboard and one isn't. So I suspect that'd be why this section of the keyboard upwards isn't working. So hopefully we can fix this one and at least get a full range out of it. The connectors are a bit. I wouldn't really call them suited for the job, really. They're very low profile. I mean, they have put tape over them to try and hold them in, but I'm sure they didn't need to be like that. I mean, on the other connectors, on the other IDC cables, they've got your normal full height ones with a retention clip to stop the plug coming out. So why have they then decided to not bother using that and use ones that can fall off is a bit odd, but there you go. Right, well, I've got it back together, and it looks like we have some success today, at least. Keys here working, and here as well. So all the keys are working now, which is a great start. At least we're on our way to fixing this properly. Right, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.